Got that sheetrock screw right back up in there, and it fit right on in there. Looks like this box was just made for that hole. You can't even tell that there used to be a fire block there, or telephone jack there, or whatever. Wow, pretty cool. See all the things you're learning? I'll take your other cut-in box, whether or not you had an existing cut-in box in there or something else and you've already removed it and you're up to this point. Put in the longest wire first. So I'm not even going to cut that wire yet. Just shove that one in there. Make sure my tabs are pushed up properly. Finagle my wire back in there. I've got to get my screwdriver. Let's see if I can't get that back in there. Actually, I'm going to do this upside down because I don't want you to miss any of this. You know how to do it from here though. But you know what? Every time you see it done again, you just learn. You learn a little bit more. Sooner or later, instead of watching my videos, you're going to have to start doing things for yourself. Only so much you can learn by reading, listening, and watching before you have to start doing. Okay? Remember that.
Yes. You're listening.
Well, I'm tightening it. Just make it snug as a bug in a rug. That's it. If you think that box needs to be slid over, I don't need to slide it, but at this point, if you cut it and it looks a little crooked to you, you can loosen this up. You can move it over however you want. And then also, once you install your electrical duplex outlet, you can kind of adjust that too, okay? I think we're about ready to make up that outlet. Let's do it.